See my crystal ball. See my crystal ball. Oh, sorry, you guys are here. So hey, this is yard art. So people always talk about, well, what do you think about yard art? Well, and this one's pretty simple. This is just a simple bulb that the homeowners purchased and put it in a good old fountain or a good old pot out in the yard. It adds some attractiveness. It gives it something kind of fun and adventurous. And then if you know anything about me, you gotta have fun with a crystal ball, right? So keep that in mind when you're designing your landscape. Think about some fun that you can have, maybe with some art, maybe with a chair, maybe with an old bench, or a wrought iron type chair in a space. So, well, I'm never gonna sit in it. It's not about just sitting in it. It's about the architectural value or the landscape value that yard art brings to your landscape. So it can be as simple as it's like an old bird bath type thing, or an old planter, and then they just got a ball, set it in there, and then it changes the complete look of this particular item. So keep that in mind when you're thinking about that summer art project or those summer projects with the kid. You could even get this probably on Facebook or Facebook Marketplace or some crazy place like that for a little or nothing, because people want to get rid of them. Sandblast it or pressure wash it, get all the paint off of it, paint it black, and then put something in the middle of it, and it'll look brand new, and it'll be something kind of intriguing and exciting in your landscape. So don't forget that yard art.